Leave it. It looks better that way.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize anyone else was here. Are you okay? You have red on you.
I'm fine. My piece, not so much.
Yeah, why'd you go and do that?
It's ugly and pointless.
Well, I'm sure that there's definitely something happening. Look at that swirl.
I should just change my major. I come in here looking for inspiration, and I look at real artists like Betty and Murray Ross. It's just pointless.
Well, don't say that. You've got potential, and I'm sure that if you keep at it, maybe you could get a piece in a place like this.
They wouldn't put my art up here. My teacher takes pity on me. I've had a really tough term. I used to love making art, but now I just feel empty, void of inspiration.
Well, I can understand that. I'm an artist too.
I thought you were a janitor.
Well, my writing won't pay the bills, you know. Art's hard.
What do you write?
Screenplays, mostly. I've been working on the sci-fi one for a while, and it's pretty awesome, but there's definitely been some times where I've thought about taking some red paint, you know, painting over it, starting from the beginning.
How do you deal with the rejection? I just don't think I can take much more of it.
Honestly, I don't. Never showed it to anybody, never sent it anywhere. I've never done anything with it, and I guess I'm afraid. And like, it doesn't matter now. It's too late.
Well, you could still put it out there. There's nothing to be afraid of aside from your own self-criticism. That's where I get in trouble. I guess I just don't believe in myself. But hey, I would read your screenplays.
Look, that's really nice of you. But like you said, it's all pointless.
It's not the end of the world.
Well, Bruce, looks like this is it.
Pretty, right? The stars, I mean. I used to look at them a bunch, but I never really thought about them, you know?
Yeah? I guess I never really did either.
And I used to not care, but now I kind of like it up here. I come to look through the telescope whenever I want to feel calm.
Do you mind if I,
No, go ahead, by all means. Are you looking for anything specific?
Have you noticed anything weird or strange in the sky tonight? Come here.
Not really. I mean, Venus was out earlier, but it said a while ago. There's nothing particularly wrong with the stars. Why? Is something happening tonight?
Well, you could say that. By the way, I'm Jim.
Mickey.
Hi, Mickey. If you knew the world was going to end, what would you do?
As a matter of fact, well, my world is ending.
Oh.
Yeah.
God. How long have you known?
Like 2 months? And the doc said I'm looking at about a couple more weeks. It took me a while to accept it, but I've come to terms with it.
But why?
And look at the bright side. Lived a great life. That's more than some people can say. I'm lucky to have my friends and family support me all this time.
But does it even matter to you? Like, does it even matter that you're gonna die?
Look,
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
no,
I'm sorry.
no.
Oh.
It's okay. Listen, I've already accepted my fate. I've come to terms with everything. And all these moments, they'll just be lost in time like tears in rain. There's nothing that anybody can do about it.
Is there anything that you wanted to do with your last moments here?
I am. I'm doing it right now. I'm out here enjoying the night sky with a new friend I just made. What more could I want?
I guess you're right about that. Well, there's not much time left. You better brace yourself.
Brace myself. For what? Are you okay?
Never been better.
Oh, look, a shooting star. Look. How cool.
Nothing. Nothing's happening.
Well, duh.
Nothing's happening.
Come on, make a wish. Come on.
Oh my God.
going to work right. The simulation looks just like an asteroid heading for the Earth. Like I said yesterday, it absolutely looks like the end of the world. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I panicked when I realized I was late for my meeting with the chair.
Come in. Hey, Dr. Nelson. I wrote a script. I was wondering if you could take a look at it real quick.
Sure. Have a seat. Let's take a look.
Okay.
Let's see what you got here.
All right. So this story, it's about the end of the world, all right? And there's only one guy that knows about it, but he is like trying to tell me. It's easy to get caught up in work and school, put off your goals and desires. We always seem to think there'll be more time to get things done. But this whole ordeal showed me that we really shouldn't wait to go after our dreams, because there's no guarantee that tomorrow is coming. So what are you waiting for? What would you miss if the world ended? Jimbo, out. Fade to black. The end.